In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your video size in Filmora. Actually, there are quite a number of ways you can change your video size in Filmora. If you find this video helpful, I kindly request that to support me by liking my video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, let's get into it. So the first thing you need to do is to add your video on your timeline. And once you have added your video on your timeline, go ahead and click on this file option here and then click on project settings. Under project settings, you'll be able to see your current video ratio. So if you wanted maybe to change this size to portrait, you can choose the portrait size. It is here. If you go ahead and now click on OK, you can see the video size has been changed. You can now go ahead and scale this to achieve your preferred size like that. And look at that. You will have successfully changed the video size in Filmora. So that is just one method you can use to change the video size. However, in the second method, we are going to use the edit option, and for this, go ahead and click on edit here and then go ahead and click on transform. So at this, you can see we have the scale here. So make sure that this is locked, and then you can now move the scale up and down. For instance, you can reduce this video size to this and you'll have changed your video size in Filmora. Once you're done, click on OK. However, if you want to undo the changes, just go ahead and click on this undo, and this will go ahead and restore your video to its normal size and shape. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.